Autism intervention training. Incidental teaching using generalization during discrete trial training. Welcome to incidental teaching. 4 major steps of incidental teaching. Incidental teaching is a method of instructions which make use of opportunity that raise a child's daily life to create a teaching moment. However, we don't just wait for opportunity to happen. Successful incidental teaching requires careful pre-planning and structuring of the environment. There are 4 major steps of incidental teaching. First, create an engaging setting. Second, wait for the child to initiate. Third, prompt the child for a fuller request. Fourth, provide the desired outcome. Create an engaging setting which tempts the child to initiate interaction. For example, you may place the favorite toys out of reach, high shelf, or a transparent container that the child cannot open. You might care a small portion of a favorite snack or an engaging sabotage, such taking battery out of the toys or plugging the TV out, so that the child cannot operate them without your help during daily self-care activities such as dressing or brushing teeth. You might wait for a request to help before offering it. Wait for the child to initiate interaction. For example, if you place toys or food out of reach before giving toy or desired food to the child, wait for the child's request. I want an apple. If you set up a situation, child need help, wait for the child to request for help rather than anticipating the child's need. Open the box, please. Oh, you want the box to be open. Box open. Prompt the child for a fuller request. At this moment, the child highly engaged with the therapist and self-motivated to succeed. These make powerful teaching moments. Now therapist slowly up the entire each time the child initiate the request. These way of the therapist teach the child to use increasingly sophisticated method of communication. For example, the child asking for the bubbles. You must first accept the sign for the bubbles. Later you might get the child sign for more bubbles. Later still you might get the child to say, more bubbles please. Please. Wonderful. So on the request, you start creating more bubbles. Provide the desired outcome. Once the child followed the prompt and made strong effort and provide elaborate request, then give the child what he or she is requesting for. When you provide the desired outcome, try to do so to provide more opportunity in incidental teaching. For example, if the child is asking for candy, give the child one candy and wait for him or her to request for another candy. If the child asks for help, tie her shoe, help the child for one shoe. Wait for the child to initiate and ask for the help for the second one. Do not proceed without request. This gives you more chances to prompt the child towards more elaborated request. In summary, incidental teaching involves capitalizing teaching moments raises day by day. Create an engaging environment. Wait for the child to initiate. Prompt the child for a fuller request and provide the desired outcome. Thank you.